Hello again. Today we're going to do slides 13, 14, 15, and 16. So these four. Okay. This very first one is about special events. Our grade gets to do, what was something fun, something eventful, something that we did this year that just really stood out to you. Okay. So there's a list of the extra special experiences that happened in our grade. What were they? For me, the most important event was what? And then here's a recap. So why was it so special? What happened? Where did we go? What did we do? Here's where you be descriptive. Okay? Such good friends. You could tell me who your friends are. Okay? Maybe tell their name, why you like them, what are some things that you guys like to do. Okay, so you should have 3 friends here. Okay, I know there's picture boxes. You probably won't be able to add pictures onto them right now, but if you print them out at the end, you can maybe insert a picture then. Okay, but give me 3 friends and then maybe a little bit about them. Okay. Then we have the best day ever. This year had a lot of good days, but the very best was, what was our very best day you had in 4th grade? Okay? And then here are all the details of that awesome day. Don't just say, it was fun, it was cool, blah. Tell me all about your very best day. Why was it the very best, okay? What did you do? How did you feel? Go into detail about why it was the very best day. Okay, and then our last one for today, a keepsake forever. If I could choose one thing to put in the jar to remind me forever of the year in this class, I would choose what? What was something that you're going to want to remember forever? Okay, something that just really stood out to you in 4th grade, something that you want to remember. Okay, type it up right here. Tell me all about it. Okay, so those are the 4 slides we're doing today. Let me know if you have any questions.